This is Paterson, NJ Good News. I'm downtown Paterson on the 4th of July at the Father Rose Live Entertainment. Downtown Paterson.
Y'all give it up with the Spider-Man on league itself.
It's downtown Paterson, y'all. This how we do it in Paterson, New Jersey. Live entertainment, 4th of July. Lot of good food out here, y'all. Paterson NJ Good News, Facebook, YouTube. Got Mark Fisher right there. Yes, sir. Right, downtown Paterson, right in front of Center City Mall. Over here, about to talk to Mark Fisher. How you doing, Mark Fisher?
Hey, what's up, baby? How you
doing? Right, one of the #1 promoters in town.
Nah, you the #1.
Yes, God's good.
I mean, with Skip.
All right, Mr. Skip, the manager of Riff. Yes, God's good. Hey, Paterson J Good News. This is the power of Paterson. Mark Fisher, Mr. Skip. Yes, I'm walking downtown Paterson at the 4th of July. Coming the 4th of July, Paterson NJ Good News. Yes. How y'all doing? A lot of people. I could say 2,000 people out here. Downtown Paterson. This is Paterson NJ Good News Talk Show. Yes, a lot of good food, a lot of vendors. Yes.
I'm like somebody about to get ready.
This is the power of Paterson. Jesus Christ is blessing this city.